Hi there. In this video, we'll try to learn more about the SQL functions row number, rank, and dense rank. So row number is a dynamic function which generate row numbers incrementally based on the order by and partition by clauses which we provide in the query. So while rank and dense rank, it works similar to row number, but it provides the rank. So imagine there is a tie between the values which we try to order in the clause. So it will provide the same value. While there is a fundamental difference between rank and dense rank, as the name suggests, we'll see that in the SQL session. In here, I have already created a table to work on. That is users table, which looks something like this. We have user ID, username, and department. If you are wondering why this screen looks black and weird, this is a PostgreSQL shell which I am using here. We'll try to write a row number function based on this username in ascending order. Syntax of row number, rank, and dense rank looks almost similar. It looks something like this. Inside the select clause, we'll write the columns which we want to pull out, and we'll write the row number function over partition by, and we'll provide the partition by columns, order by, and we'll provide the order by expressions which we want to provide, and from the table. So in the rank and dense rank, only the key term changes. In place of row number, we'll replace it with rank, then it becomes rank function. If we replace it with dense rank, then it will become dense rank function. It is as simple as that. Another thing to keep in mind is that the partition by clause which we have it here is optional. That means we can skip writing partition by clause based on our requirement. Things will make more sense when we practically see this working in SQL. We will switch back to pSQL shell, and we will write the row number based on ascending order of username. I'll pull all the columns, row number over. I'll skip the partition by. I'll only write order by user name from. It generated row number incrementally from 1 to 7. We'll write the same function, but this time we'll partition it by department, and we'll see how this row number work. I'll add partition by clause just before order by. Partition by department. The result came jumbled. We will order it based on user ID, then the results will make more sense. Order by user ID. See, here it generated the row number 1, 2, 3, which is like before 1, 2, 3. But as soon as the department changed here from HR to admin, it reset the row number and it started again with 1, 2, and again the department changed 1 and 1. So this is how the row number works with partition by class. Now we will see how rank function and dense rank function work, and we'll see core differences between them. We'll write a rank function with a descending order of department. I'll pull all the columns, then rank over
order by user name. Make it descending this time just for a change. Users.
We see the ranks have been generated. For D, it provided rank 1, or C, it provided rank 2. For B, we see it provided rank 3. The next value is also B, which is similar, which is same. It again provided the rank 3. Then the next value is A. It skipped one value, that is 4, and it provided 5, 5, 5 to all the A values. Here the core difference between dense rank and rank will come into picture. While here we see one value has been skipped in between. It's a void has been generated in between. From 3 provided the rank 5, where it considers 3 and this is a fourth one which has the rank 3. Then next it provided the rank 5 and all the 5. If we would add another value after A, then it would have provided 5, 6, 7, 8 to it. While dense rank will not skip such values, we will write the query and it will make more sense. It's the same. We'll simply add dense rank keyword. See, as we anticipated, 1, 2, 3, 3. Then it did not skip any value. It provided 4th rank to A and so on. So we will try to write all the functions side by side and we'll see how that looks. The same I'll try to copy.
Change the rank. Try to assign to row number.
Row number provided the values without skipping any from 1 to 7, while rank provided the rank It provided the value 4 here, provided 3 to B, again provided 3, skipped one value and provided 5. While dense rank, it did not skip any rank in between 3 and provided 4. The blog version of the same will be there in the description. Thank you for watching.